And basically, we start off as the egg from our mum and the sperm from our dad, and they come together. The egg is fertilized, and then it travels down until it implants in the wall of the uterus and goes on to develop to becoming the baby that then grows up into becoming you. And along that process, it goes through this division and becoming specialized, cells becoming specialized, because obviously we start off as one cell. There's no division, there's no specialism within that organism. It's just a single cell. But as it starts to divide, initially those are just multiplications, replications of that first cell. But when it gets to this point, it starts to form different kinds of cells that have different roles. And then they start to divide into different layers, which then start to evolve and form a tube. And I find it fascinating how that goes on then to become an embryo. And kind of the embryo goes through almost the stages of our evolution through its own growth and evolution as it develops towards being a baby. But just to keep it basic and simple, there are these three layers: the ectoderm, the mesoderm, and the endoderm. And these three layers then further divide and specialize and become each of the tissues and organs within our body. But there are certain tissues that will come from the ectoderm, certain tissues that will come from the mesoderm, and certain tissues that will come from the endoderm. Beyond this point, once they've specialized into those three layers, you don't have a bit of ectoderm becoming a bit of endoderm. They stay in those specific three categories.